if you're on Social Security, or you're going to soon be on Social Security, you're going to want to hear this. What we're talking about today is Social Security income taxes. And people fall into a couple of camps on this, is there's many people that don't even know that Social Security is taxed. And there's other people that just assume it's taxed just like any other income. And the answer is somewhere in between. And the reason I'm talking about it today is when you're retired, you have the opportunity to have some control over the amount of taxes that you pay every year. And part of it is really learning this formula or associating yourself with a financial advisor that's Social Security savvy. Now, I'm going to talk about this really from the inside out, because what's driving the whole bus here is your other taxable income. So is the money besides Social Security that you're receiving every month from like IRA withdrawals, from a pension, from rents, from interest on a savings account, capital gains on a brokerage account. I mean, all the money that you're living on that's separate from your Social Security check. Is the amount of that, of other income, first you're going to have to pay tax on that other income at the end of the year, but the number that you have is going to drive the taxes you pay on your Social Security. So Social Security is going to start at, like I have a lady that is a client of mine that she receives $1,500 a month. And that's $18,000 a year. She also, I just helped her with her taxes, $12,000 worth of pension income. You know, you put those two things together, it's about $30,000 that she has, or $2,500 a month. And she didn't have to pay any taxes last year, 0 taxes, because all of the other interest that she's earning is in annuities. And it's tax deferred, and she's not going to pay taxes till she draws it out, and she didn't really anticipating doing that. She's got some other money and some other investments, but we've set things up so that we've worked this formula, and her combined income under the formula of her Social Security and her other income is under $25,000. Well, it's actually, they use half your Social Security. So it's a confusing formula, but we know what it is, and we very much planned this, and she paid no income taxes this past year. And that was really, really sweet. Now, I want to tell you that there's 13 states that actually tax Social Security too. I've just been talking about the federal. And with the federal, I mean, if there's 13 states that tax it, that means that there's 37 states that don't tax it. So we've only been talking about the federal. If you live in one of these states, you're going to have the possibility of the state coming in and grabbing a little income tax from you on your Social Security check as well. And they all have similar formulas to this. So I'm Hans Scheil. We're in all 50 states in the District of Columbia, and I thank you for listening.